Hey guys, super quick, make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. Hello everybody, welcome back to the St. Louis Car Museum. I'm Ian, and today we're featuring this 1937 Packard 1502 Super 8 Convertible Sedan. This 1502 is finished in Packard Blue over gray leather interior. It has 18,308 miles on the odometer, a 3-speed manual transmission, and a 320 cubic inch inline 8 engine. Things literally couldn't have been better for Packard as they rolled into 1937. With nearly 50 models to choose from on over 4 chassis designs, they were able to capitalize on every facet of the market audience. New features included standard hydraulic brakes and new Safety Flex independent front suspension for smoother road feedback, with the elimination of the outdated Bijur lubricated system as well as adjustable ride control system. From entry-level options to the expensive luxury models they were known for, they could truly cater to the needs of all buyers. It was for this fact that they sold more units at the end of 1937 than they would ever match again. Although the majority of those units sold, some 90% to be more exact, were the entry-level 115 or 120 series models. The balance of senior models like the Super 8 and V12 continued to be built in limited supply and continue to be the most sought after today.